Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to force restart this watch. And force restart could be useful in cases if something is not working on your watch properly, maybe it's a bit sluggish, unresponsive, something doesn't want to open on the watch. You could try to force restart the watch and hopefully it will solve your problems. So let's get started. And to force restart our watch, we need to press and hold the crown button for about 12 seconds. So press and hold it, keep holding it. At some point your watch will start vibrating. And after 5th vibration, I believe, it will reboot. Like this. Then you can release the button and after a few seconds you should see the Magic OS logo on the screen. And then you can wait until the watch is done rebooting. Like this. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.